Hello lovely audience, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Quick Guide. In this video, I am going to tell you how can you send a friend request to someone if the add friend button is not showing into their profile. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Step 1. Open your Facebook application. Firstly, you have to open your Facebook application, and after opening the Facebook application, open the profile who you want to send friend request to. And after opening the friend request, you can see this only follow button, but there is no option to send a friend request. Step 2. Send a friend request. Now I'm going to show you easiest way to send the friend request to the person. You just simply have to click into these three dots into the right side. And after clicking there, you can see this add friend option just below the messages. Simply click into that add friend option. It says your friend request is on the way. By following these very easy steps, you can also send friend request into Facebook to anyone whose profile is not showing add friend option. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.